and the new parties could have been appointed. However, in the meantime, we obviously cannot comment on the specific commercial arrangements between FRA and MWH because there are various contractual obligations on the part of MWH, and of course in terms of the confidentiality provisions between FRA and MWH. However, suffice to say, before the departure of the Honourable Prime Minister to New York, the FRA board gave a briefing to the Honourable Prime Minister in respect of the commercial issues facing FRA and MWH. Fundamentally, there was an issue pertaining to the payment of various invoices. FRA, as it is obliged to do, as it has a obligation to the taxpayers of Fiji, requested various details on particular invoices that had been issued to MWH. Those details weren't forwarded to FRA by MWH, and the lawyers, of course, got involved. FRA stood its ground because it believes it needs to be given full details of all invoices and the works done under these invoices before it can make payments. Now those negotiations were going on foot, and subsequently MWH has decided to, in our opinion, unlawfully terminate its contract prior to the term of the contract expiring, which is the end of this year. Now, they've obviously walked away by abrogating this contract, and FRA will pursue it as it should. In respect of what will happen now to FRA, as you know that the FRA board chair has issued a statement, and FRA has given government the assurance, of course, that its ability to deliver and to meet the service charter to all Fijians will continue.